Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just a quick little update video. Didn't do a video on it just yet, but basically I've gone along. As you can see, I've removed all the clips and that hold the tourniquet over, as in I'm wanting to do a hard tourniquet, or I might relocate them and put a press stud kind of thing in. Now, going along, and I've cleaned this one up. Now, as you can see, there's a bit of a ding. It kind of looks like it's either from a crease, because there's a crease mark just in there, and there's body filler, as you can see, down along here. So I'll find out more about that later. But what I'm going to be doing is going along and spot welding up all these holes. Now I've made a start. As you can see, I've not used a gasless MIG before, so I don't really know if my spot welds there are up to par. I've done the top here. Got to do a little bit more here because there's a bit of a gap there. So yeah, what I've done is, I don't know if you can see it, I've already filled one hole up and cleaned it out as best as possible, and that it's gone all the way in. Zoom back yet. So yeah, so just there, that little spot there, clean that one up. Now this one here is a good one. Now I've already gone and I've cleaned it out once. There's one hole there and another one there. Now it was a bit dented in, so what I've gone and done is I've put a spot weld in the hole, and I've ground it back a bit so it's all smooth again, and I filled it back up. But before I'd done all that, I got a bolt in there and I've pressed and pulled it up a little bit further. Now I would have liked to have actually shown you how to have done that, but I forgot to bring the camera out to do it. So, but there's that one. Yeah, I've also done one just here, and that cleaned it up and that sort of stuff. That's all happening. So yeah, so basically I've got to also go around, do clean all this up, do all these ones as well. There's a bit of rust coming and cracking through around here for some reason, so I've got to clean up in that area too. Yeah, as you can see, that's my passenger front guard. Someone over some stage in time thought that they would try and repair the guard, because this last section here has either been rusted out or had holes in it. Now it's actually got one very warped plate being put into that area there, and then there's another one going around that area, but then there's also one over here too, and then this plate here at the back has actually been, what they've done is instead of butt welding it and joining it all like along a butt weld, they've folded it in, and then they've welded this one directly over the top. So I think they call that a lap weld, and they're overlapping it. So now I can get this whole panel here to yay far up, about 80 mils or so up this way, which is pretty good. The only other dilemma I've got is down in the back. it's rusted here as well, and this section here is all rusted out. So I've got to try and find someone who does the inner parts of the guards. Now these parts here you can get from, if I remember correctly, it's resto rods or retro rods on the Sunshine Coast. So yeah, if you're looking for rust repair panels for your lower sections of guards, yep, just give Mick a call. I'll get there and stick his details up and that, so you know who to give a call. So yeah, alright then guys and girls, thanks for watching. Just a quick one, and that, so I'm also going to once again start on making those piston cup holders hopefully tomorrow. Just got to try and get hold of a borrowed die grinder so I can grind the inside of the pistons out a bit more to be able to fit a Coke can in. So yeah, if you can help out in any way with anything, just PM me and that sort of stuff through Facebook. Like the videos, subscribe, share as much as possible. The views are climbing. I've still got another 5,000 odd views to go before YouTube helps or looks into everything. So yeah, alright guys, take it easy, have a good week, and cheerio for now.